Congratulations! You've just discovered the most successful and widely used repair system in our industry today. This repair system is used for injection of engineered wood flooring only. Let's begin by examining the contents of the kit. You'll receive 1 quart of adhesive. You'll receive a 12 cc injection syringe. You receive the drill bits to drill the holes, the tips that go on the end of the syringe. After the repair is complete, you'll have the dowel rods to be able to fill the holes. And let's not forget to read the instructions before we begin. Let's begin by marking the areas that we need to repair. This is best done by tapping on the floor with a solid object and listening for hollow sounds. When we find a hollow sound, we mark it with a piece of tape, and we leave that piece of tape in place until we finish the repair. Most repairs require 2 holes, one for the glue to go in and one for the air to come out. If you're doing many injections at one time, it's best to mark them all before you begin. Now that we've drilled all the holes, it's time to load the syringe. There are 2 methods to do this. One is to remove the plunger, and you can pour the adhesive into the syringe. The second way, and the way that's most often, stick the syringe into the adhesive and draw back on the plunger. Doing this will fill the syringe. We're now ready to inject the adhesive under the floor. We'll start by putting the adhesive in this hole. We'll want to continue to inject the adhesive here until the hole begins to back out or it becomes full. Now that we've drilled and injected all of our holes, it's now time to close the holes. The best thing to do are use these dowel rods that come in the kit. They're a little larger than the size of the hole, so it becomes necessary to take a knife and sharpen these on the end. You insert them into the hole. Once they're in the hole, we're going to want to tap them down ever so slightly and then cut them off flush with the surface. Now we're ready to complete the repair. After we've inserted the dowel rods into the hole, we take the punch that comes in the kit and a hammer, and we want to tap those dowels just barely below the surface. Now we're going to complete the repair by adding a colored putty that matches the floor. As you can see, when the repair is complete, it's barely visible. Remember, when you have an engineered wood floor that needs repair, think dry tack.